Hey, welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. This is going to be a small one. It's for a little small piece, but it's something I need to get done before I move on to the next step of the bike. So I'm going to throw this one in there. I think it was kind of nifty. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But hey, hopefully you'll enjoy this. So let's get on it. All right, I'm going to be making my bracket out of some metal here, but it's got a bunch of surface rust on it. I want to show you how I get rid of surface rust, and it works really good. This stuff right here, it's called OSFO. I've known about this forever. When I was little, or as my wife says, you were never little. Back when I was younger. Yeah, we'll put it that way. OSFO, this stuff works amazing. Back and hit it with some WD-40 just to keep it from flash rusting back up. Bam! Like it never had any rust on it. OSFO. Man, I have got to get myself a bandsaw. That's all there is to it. Time to take it over to the grinder. Yeah, here I'm just welding this on. I wasn't too happy with that bolt that I had on top that was holding this on, all this chance of this thing wiggling loose and everything. So I just went ahead and thought I'd just weld it all up and get rid of that chance of happening. Yeah, this is what it's going to look like. This is all going to be powder coated black, so I think that's going to end up looking pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching. I know this was just a little part of the bike, but this is something I got to get done before I strip it down. Here in the next couple episodes, I'm going to strip this back down to the frame. I'm going to re-show a little bit of the initial frame welding together. Then I have to do all these welds. I got to go through because everything's just tacked into place. I got to go through all of them, clean them up, get them welded up good so that I can start sanding the bike down. I'm going to paint the frame. Everything I can powder coat, I'm going to powder coat. And all that's coming just around the corner. I'm getting really close. All right, guys, thanks for staying with me, and keep watching, see how this turns out. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I need help. All right, we're gonna wrap this one up, so y'all take it easy.